Hey, welcome to another video and thanks for clicking on this one. In this particular video, I want to share with you what my thoughts are on Tesla. Tesla is one of those stocks that it's very volatile. And if you are somebody who wants to make money or do day trade or swing trade or do options, Tesla might be a good one to get into. Now, I personally try to buy and hold. I do not try to time it. But when I see it drop like it's done today at the recording of this video, it dropped down to about $294, and it's within a few minutes it's already back above 300. But one thing about Tesla that we know is it could still turn around and head back down. Now, my personal price entry is around 270. Anything below 270 is when I like to buy Tesla. Now, have I gotten it above 300 in the past? Yes, I have. But one thing I know about Tesla is that because of a lot of chit chat between the president and the Elon Musk, right? There's a lot of there's a feud going on between them and all the big beautiful bill. All the conversations around that is causing Tesla to be very volatile. And I think that being patient and waiting for the right time to get in is key. If you are somebody who wants to buy and hold, being patient is key. One thing that I would do, and I have done, is set a price entry and buy to open at a particular price with a limit order. And the reason why I would do that is that way, even if it drops while I'm not on the computer or while I'm aware or while I'm away, it would execute at a price or below what I've set, which is a good thing, because that way I'm not trying to chase it. I'm not trying to get in, and I don't feel like I'm missing out. I do have that as a strategy sometimes when I want to buy certain stocks. I will set a limit order that it executes even if I am not monitoring the stock on a day-to-day basis. Now, today, stock market is looking somewhat flat. I mean, the S&P 500 is down slightly from yesterday. Right now, it's 61.96. And of course, the Dow is up 0.21%. The S&P 500 is down 0.14%. And of course, the Nasdaq is down 0.32%. One of the things that is going on also is Jerome Powell, confirms that the Fed would have cut by now were it not for tariffs, which in my opinion, I think that's just BS. All right. A lot of times these people say things just because they believe that, oh yeah, they can be justified. And the truth is, you got to make moves outside of all this. You can't control everything, and you have to make moves slightly. I mean, you can always cut 0.25 or a quarter basis points, like as they do. Anyway, the point of this video is to just tell you what I'm doing about Tesla and to share my thoughts with you.